Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and
Joan's Travels.
Okay, so it is Monday morning. We are got up to go have breakfast, and what we found out was the American Diner does quick bites. We'll take a quick look at what you can get here. I thought this was pretty good. So what do they have? When you come in, pick up your plate. They have ham and cheese, English muffins, a scrambled egg croissant, sausage bacon, French toast, pancakes, topping for your pancakes, some rolls, some sweets. We got some different kind of oatmeal. You got some different fruits. You got some ham and cheese. You got some milk. You got some yogurt, some cereal, and they have an omelet and fried eggs upon request. So if you wanted to do the American Diner for breakfast instead of waiting in line at the buffet and fighting the crowd, you can come sit out here. And it's about 9:30. We found it was pretty empty, and we both ate. So again, lots of options to eat. We thought we would try this out this morning because we knew it was quick and easy. So again, American Diner serves breakfast, and it is complimentary.
So this is our lunch at the American Diner. We had a start of nachos. And then I had the spaghetti and meatballs. And Chris has cheeseburger and fries.
Chris just had his cheese buns.
Yum, 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 yum. I have my drink, and this has a pina colada. That's our lunch at the American Diner.
Chris and Joan's Travels.